Hey yo guys, it's your boy, the real Biki, and we back again guys with another one. So my friends, I'm here with my friends. So Fede has come and Fandi. It was so sharp Fede. We're gonna get girls' numbers without talking. Not me. So we're gonna get girls' numbers without talking, but fair too. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. Don't forget, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. Also share, but with family and friends, please. Because I think this video is gonna be a banger, but let's go.
Hey, what we doing? And I just hate you, but just so you have to. When we make love, we on the top of the moon. That's all.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
This is the continuation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
another one.
Agree, mama.
Women are not nice. You see, women are like the weapon formed against us.
Yeah, bafethu. It happened. What happened, bafethu. And yeah, also yeah, it was kinda nice. Marage bafethu. Niaz. The sympathy was on Nanyakam. So bafethu pegani. If you want part 2, comment there on the comment section. Young Todd. Would you want part 2? You want part 2? Young Todd. Or no man is part 2. Young Todd, man comment that. Hello. Bega. So Wafethu now don't forget to like, share and comment Wafethu. Like, share and comment on my videos.
Yeah, danger, in goes. Danger.
And also press that notification bell and be notified Bafethu when you drop another hit. Yeah, this is so.